Honestly, it was such a big surprise. I just feel really, really honored and really grateful. And, the group that won the awards this year were absolutely incredible. I'm so inspired by all they have done, but I'm also really grateful to have been recognized today as well. Yeah, so my work is really focused on health equity, on making medicine more accessible as a career for young people from underrepresented backgrounds. And I've been doing this since I was a medical student at Cardiff. So that makes 8 years now. 8 years ago, I started leading the charity called Melanin Medics. I'm really grateful for the impact that we've had up until now. This evening has been incredible. Just so inspiring, so energizing as well. I think it really just reminded me how much I love Cardiff. It reminded me how global Cardiff's impact is, but also the opportunity to connect with the alumni who are all doing amazing things. Cardiff definitely made me more confident. I came here as an 18-year-old, very shy, very introverted, and Cardiff is where I found my voice. It's where I met, my friends who were really, really close to me till this day, and even just the support that I received from the staff at Cardiff University has been deeply inspiring. Favorite memories from my time in Cardiff? I think I got to do loads of cool stuff. As part of the medical degree, we got sent across Wales, so not just in Cardiff, but I spent 2 months living on a farm. That was an amazing experience in North Wales, in Pwllheli, and I look back at that memory so fondly. The other student that I was with, we just had an amazing time, and I'm grateful to Cardiff for giving me the opportunity to explore Wales in a way that I probably never would have.